Okay, BP, British Petroleum. Okay, here's the thing. They hit a big oil well. Um, they dug like 17,000 feet, and they hit this huge oil well, probably bigger than anything since like the times of Rockefeller. I'm not sure. They're getting like 1,000 barrels a day or something like that. A lot of oil. That's what people don't get. All that oil is BP's oil. Okay, nobody argued with that. Yes, they have a lot of liability, but at this point the liability is factored in. Let me explain. The stock was at 60, now it's at 30. Okay, so if you look at the technicals, they're starting to show support. They're starting to bounce up. Okay, and with 100 million shares traded a day, that confirms the support, which means that stock goes down, people are going to come in and buy, right? That support, which is good. So we're looking at the negative factors to be pretty much factored in already to the stock. Yes, Obama has their balls in the sling. They had a meeting. They agreed to pay $20 billion over the next 3 to 5 years, which is actually not that much. You know, you got to figure this oil well may be worth much more than $20 billion. You know, the public doesn't understand the numbers, what they really mean. $20 billion is nothing. Okay? So if they're going to get off with that, that would be a big bonus. What else? The dividend. Well, it sucks that the shareholders are not going to get the dividend, okay? But look at it this way. BP doesn't have to pay the dividend. So they get more money for themselves. It's better for them. That's like awesome in a way. The shareholders that need the dividend will sell, but the ones that stay strong will probably see a return from here at this level. We're looking at 45. I'm thinking 45 to 50 by Christmas, maybe by January, early next year. I'm looking at the 39 calls for October. I'm looking at the 50 calls for January. I'm thinking about selling the naked put at the money every month. It's paying good money. It's paying $3 to $4. That's awesome. Okay. I'm thinking about the straddle, selling the 32, specifically selling the 32 put for July, pays about $3.75. So the 34 call, which is a straddle, pays about $2.25, which is $6. $6 a share. That's awesome. I mean, you can assign me at that price. And what else? It's kind of like the tobacco industry lawsuit. The government and the people involved are going to do everything they can do to make sure BP stays profitable, so they can pay that money, right? So they can pay them. So they can pay that lawsuit, $20 billion. So in a way, people support BP now. So it looks like it look a lot better from here. Once you cast aside all the negative news, it looks like a buy. There's support. There's still a lot of money, and we're gonna. It's gonna continue. They're gonna take the slap on the hands. They're gonna continue with profitability. That's the thing. So I'm not BP.